Just wanted to give you guys an update. I installed these 35-inch tires. They're the Motovator RTs, 35 by 9.5 R15s. They're on MSA beadlock wheels. It really did lift up the Can-Am. I've taken it out about 3 times, and I did notice I got some bump steer. So I'll be making the drive out to Shock Therapy, buying their bump steer delete kit. Gonna reinforce the front end a little bit with the gusset kit. Got a few parts going on it. Probably this weekend. Got the AFX front bumper with the winch, Harbor Freight winch, shock tower brace. Got some new whips too. Got a pair from Black Widow. And then the gusset kit should be arriving soon. Bump steer was mainly when off-roading, going through some pretty big dips. Maybe at 40 miles per hour I can feel it. I'm going with the Assult Industries gusset kit. Goes in there, make it double shear. Change the tie rods. But otherwise, it handled the tires pretty well. I know they don't recommend 35s. No clutch work done either. So we're running with them. If anything, once they run out, we'll go back to 33s, 32s. But it got a lot of compliments. It looks really well. Pretty tall. So once we install all those parts, I'll give you guys an update. Just try and point out the parts installed. Tablet holder. Just installed that the other day. So I just got back from Shock Therapy. We went for the bump steer delete kit. These are really nice. We ended up, since we were there already, we just went ahead and got the sway bar links, Shock Therapy. Pretty far drive for me, maybe like 45 minutes on the other side of town. But yeah, should be able to run better with these 35s once we do all that work. There's a 2-piece shock tower brace. Can't wait.